Good day, ma'am. This is my return return discussion for CLG5 evidence. First is judicial notice. It is based on the maxim what is known need not be proved. Hence, when the rules is invoked, the court may dispense with the presentation of evidence on judicially recognizable facts. So, ang judicial notice is gabase siya sa maxim word na what is known need not be proved. Meaning, ang mga nasaydan na dili na kinahanglan ng ebidensya. Dili na kinahanglan iprobar. The judicial notice is the cognizance of certain facts which judge may properly take act on without proof because already know them. So, ang judicial notice ko ma'am is si judge is considered niya or gidawat niya ang isa ka butang or isa ka lugar na wala na kinahanglan na ebidensya kay tungod sayod na daan sila. Ang purpose ini is number 1, to save time. Number 2, save effort and labor. Number 3, save expenses in securing and introducing evidences. So, judicial notice when mandatory. So, meaning, ng mandatory is kinahanglan. Walay mahimo ang court kundi maghimo sila ng judicial notice. A court shall take judicial notice without the introduction of the evidence of the existence and territorial extent of state. So, kibali, maglaong ko nga to sa court na United States. Kibali on country, United States. So, ang court dili niya kinahanglan ng evidence na ang United States na ga-exist siya, di na ng court kinahanglan na ng evidence. Their political history, forms of government, and symbol of nationality. So, mga political history ug mga forms of symbol of nationality. So, example, mga flag. Kaila sagid kita ng ato flag ng Pilipinas. So, pag di na kinahanglan niyo ng evidence na kibali ini na flag is Philippines, ini na flag is US, nga na law of nation. So, kuan yon mga balaod na nato kuan nato country, the Admiralty and Maritime Courts of the world and their seals, the political constitution history of the Philippines. So, mga kuan yapon yun, mga history about sa ato bansa or about sa political na history. Hindi na kinahanglan niya ebidensya na kung hitabo ba yaon. The official acts of the legislative, executive, and judicial department of the national government of the Philippines. So legislative, executive, o judicial department is na sila'y kanya-kanya nga function. So, kabali sa legislative is tighimo ay sila ng kuan balaod. Ang executive sila ang ma-execute Ang head ini na executive is ang president, ug ang judicial department amin yan pinakataas na court, which is ang Supreme Court. So ang ani sa official acts di na kinahanglan ng evidence na anila ng mga trabaho kibali. The law of nature, the measure of time and geographical division. Judicial notice when discretionary. A court may take judicial notice of matter which are of the following. So ngani sa judicial notice when discretionary, ang court pwede siya mo take ng judicial notice ug pwede sa dili. Kita sa following, letter E, public knowledge, capable of unquestionable. Letter B, capable of unquestionable demonstration. Letter C, ought to be known to judge because of their judicial function. So, uno inin public knowledge. Public knowledge meaning fact of general notoriety. So, meaning ng notoriety is yon well known gibali siya. Well known meaning sikat. So, damo na mga tao ang kahibaw. Amo yon gitawag na public knowledge. So, nakita sa letter B, capable of unquestionable demonstration, field of professional and scientific knowledge. So, sa letter B, an example ini is bali nga di kita sa field ng mga forensic nga na. So, anila mga trabaho, mga scientific examination or anything na mag-based sa ila skills or professional para ma-unquestionable. So, meaning di na kinahanglan i-question kung uno'y result nan isa kabutang kay tungod professional ang himo yaon. Ought to be known to judge because of their judicial function. The facts which are ascertainable from the record of court proceeding when court notice received by party. So, yaon ato nga di kuan judicial notice versus judicial knowledge. So, ang judicial notice is knowledge of the court. So, sa judicial knowledge, ang personal knowledge ng judge. Personal knowledge ng judge. So, makita sa admission. Admission is any statement of fact by a party against his interest or unfavorable to the conclusion for which he contends or is inconsistent with the fact alleged by him. It is a statement of fact which does not involve acknowledge of guilt or liability. So, ngani sa admission is example ngani is may hitabo na krimen tapos yaon ako sa crime scene. So ako ang gikuhanan mga authority na ako'y suspect. So ako mo-admit ako na oo, yaon ako sa crime scene, pero dili ako ang gabuhat nan krimen. Amo yaon ng admission. So dito sa confession. Confession, the declaration of an accused expressly acknowledging his guilt of the offense charged. So lahi saban sa confession. Ang sa confession is iamin mo ang krimen na ikaw ang gabuhat ug sayod ka isabnan unoy consequences yaon or unoy result yaon nan paghimo nimo nan krimen.